see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Ooh, I've been on the flex since flex on. Neighborhood all in your eardrums. I ain't never scared like Bone Crush. Boy, I got God, don't fear none. My line busy, take no calls. Feels like I don't have no flaws. Snakes in the grass, cut those off. Yo, squad shady, my bros raw. No breaks, we go, 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 go. Throw shade, that's a no, 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 no. Go high, go low, low, low.
Hey guys, what's going on? Thank you for coming back to the channel. If you're new, my name is LJ and you're watching NoClutch Garage. Today we're going to be doing what is the beginning of the transformation of my car. At least that's what I'm calling it. We're going to be doing a few things. I'm actually going to be filming a few videos, but for now I'm going to be showing you guys how to put on the eyebrows on your car. And if you've ever seen this, they're little carbon fiber strips that go on top of your headlights, and they enhance the look of your car. I think they look really nice, and I think I said before in another video, I used to have them. The carbon fiber I had before wasn't too good, and it started going yellow, so I took them off because it looked pretty bad. But today we're gonna redo those. I got some new ones. It's rainy outside, so we're gonna go on a parking deck. Hopefully we have enough lighting. I might just go up to the top and see if we can catch some good light up there. Alright guys, so this is what I was talking about. These are the eyebrows. You can see carbon fiber. These you can find on Amazon. They're like 15 bucks. Super cheap, and they really enhance the look of your car. Those will be going right on that. But the important part right here, right now, is going to be just putting them on there, lining them up. Can be a little bit of a hassle, but let's go ahead and do it. Alright, so these are, like I said, they're fairly easy. On the back they have 3M tape. So all we're really going to do is we're going to peel this back and then stick them on. It's that simple. What we really want to do is make sure we get them lined up the way they're meant to be lined up. Last time I did them, I didn't do such a good job, and they started looking kind of funny. It looks like right here is where I need to have them. So I think we're going to go ahead and start peeling. Alright, so it looks like this is going to be the spot. You don't want this part to be exposed like that. There's going to be a gap and it's just going to look awful. You basically want to cover all this kind of like anodized aluminum looking thing, so you get the fitment right. Before you stick it on, just make sure you get the fitment right, the fitment that you want. That's going to be the spot. So I'm going to go ahead and get it on there. The way I did this last time is I held it in place. Just peel. Damn, Zaddy. Look at that. So it gives it a little bit of extra presence. It's nothing major, but considering I'm about to do some major carbon fiber work, it's gonna look really nice with that. Alright, so just like we did that side, we're gonna do the other side. And it's the same thing. Last time I did it, I realized that I did it wrong. So one side looked different than the other. It wasn't very noticeable. But if you're anything like me and you're about the details, it's going to bother you. So make sure you get it right. The worst thing you can do to your car is have something done and not have it done the way you want. So that's going to be it right there. What do you think, guys? Let's try with the hood closed. Yeah, it looks pretty darn good. Alright guys, so like I said, that was pretty easy. It's not that big of a deal. It's actually a good beginner mod. It gives your car a little bit more attitude. It's nothing, major, and that's kind of why I like this. It's something that if you don't want to do too much to your car, you can just add it. It'll make your car look a little bit better, get rid of those eyebrows that everybody seems to hate, the silvery looking eyebrows. But anyway guys, just be mindful that especially on these LCI BMWs, your turn signal is going to be on that top right beside the eyebrow. So it's going to be right there, and just make sure you don't cover that. Sometimes people forget and then you end up with a covered turn signal, and we don't want that. But anyway guys, this has been it. This is pretty simple. It takes like 5 minutes. I hope you enjoyed the video of this really easy DIY. All of my stuff is divided into playlists, so if you're into vlogs, there's a playlist for that. If you're into DIYs, there's a playlist for that. But thank you so much for coming back. If you're back, if you're new, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.